Hello guys, in this course I'm going to teach us how to fix an eyelet on a dress. So I want you to make sure you pay attention, make sure you watch to the end, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks and may God bless you. Make sure you like. Hello guys, today I'm going to teach us how to fix an eyelet. As you can see, I'm going to teach us how to fix an eyelet on a cloth. Okay, so I want to tell you that it's very simple. It just requires your machine. As you can see, this is the machine we are going to be working with. This is an eyelet machine, and it requires also two things extra, which is this you are seeing here. Are you seeing it? Okay, one is thicker and one is thin. Look at it. Are you seeing this one is thicker? Are you seeing it 3D? While this one is thin. So we are going to be using these two things and the machine. Then you should have your material which you are going to put the eyelet on. Do you understand? Then I want to advise you on something. You shouldn't use your material this way, just the material. Do you understand? You have to find a way to gum it inside. What I mean is that you have to find a way to use feasible interfacing on the inside. Do you understand? Now, what I mean by feasible interfacing, we have different types. We have the gum stay, we have the color gum. As you can see, I use the stronger one, which is the gum stay. Now look at it. Let me show you guys. Look at example of what I'm using. Are you seeing it? Okay. So after gumming it down, next thing you need to do is, as you can see, these are the places where I'm going to put the eyelet on. Are you seeing it? Okay. Now this is the front part of the material. Why this is the back part of the material? I mean the right side and the wrong side. So it is on this place. We are going to be opening these points. Are you seeing it? So that we can be able to put this in. Are you seeing? So in order to open it, you can open with different types of machines. Like you can use a screwdriver. Do you understand? You can use your scissors and cut it open. You can actually use a soldering iron. Just put it there when it's hot. It gives you the opening. But most of us still don't know that you can actually use the same machine to open it up. So let's use it. Are you seeing here on the machine? You are going to be placing this thing on it. Do you understand? Place it. Make sure it is on that place you've marked. Then you pull this thing down. Pull it till you hear a sound. That's when you know that it has opened it for you. So let's do that, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, look at it here, it has opened. So next thing you need to do is to take this one. Are you seeing it? On the right side, put it in from the right side. Okay, are you seeing it? That's the size. Then when you put it in, now take the tiny one. Look at it, see the tiny one. Take it and put here. Are you seeing it? When you are done, next thing you need to do is to put it on the machine. The same machine that opened it, that's the same machine you are going to put it on. Now look at it. Are you seeing we are putting it? Then next thing you need to do is to still press this one so that it will lock it up. Now let's do that, guys. So you need to apply pressure, but you shouldn't overpress it. So now, as you can see, we are done. Now look at it. Are you seeing it? Looking very neat, neatly fixed. Now look at the front part. So neat, and it's not going to, Thank you very much. So I don't know if I'm still going to do another one for all of us to see. So let me open up here again.